my kitchen, and today I would like to share with you something that I usually do when I have some free time, and that is cooking. I'm going to show you one of the easiest recipes that you can do at home just by using the ingredients that you probably have in your pantry, and that is energy bars. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients for the energy bars. We have the apple syrup, butter, cranberries, sugar, nuts, and oatmeal, and of course I have this huge gigantic bags of cornflakes. They are all unsweetened. Alright, so basically you're just gonna mix all the ingredients here in the big bowl. Sugar, peanut butter, just mix them all well. So I put this on fire for like 5 minutes just to let the sugar melt, and the next thing you're going to do is to put it on a tray like this, and then just tap it and press it a bit so that they would stick to each other. When it cools down, you can cut it into any shape that you desire, but mostly you can cut it into a rectangular shape. I think that will be easier. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye!